Good morning to all. Today we see vermicompost technology. What is vermicompost? The vermicompost for recycling of scrap residues and other organic solid waste by the utilization of earthworms to convert them into vermicompost. It's clear. Vermicomposting is a method of making compost with the use of earthworms, which generally live in soil, eat biomass, and excrete it in digested form. The end product of vermicomposting is vermicompost. The earthworm consume large quantities of organic matter and excrete soil as a vermicompost. What is vermiculture? A scientific method of breeding and raising of earthworms in controlled conditions are called vermiculture. It's clear. In India, vermicomposting used for earthworm species Yersinia fetida, Eutrylus eugeniae. The vermicomposting of material earthworms is favorable conditions, pH range between 6.5 to 7.5, neutral. The moisture level 60 to 70%, aeration 50%. Temperature must be 18 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius. Okay. Vermicomposting is done by concrete tank and a wooden roof or cement tank to protect worms against rain and sun. Procedure: mostly prepared in either pit or heap method in a shady area in the farm. Dimensions 10 into 4 into 2 feet. First layer bedding material of 1 inch thick with soft leaves. Second layer 9 inch thick organic residues layer, finely chopped material. Third layer dung plus water equal mixture of 2 inches layer. Continue the layers up to ground level. Regular watering should be done. It's clear. The 24th day, 4,000 earthworms are introduced into the pit. The temperature should be maintained. After the heap cools down, 50 to 100 earthworms should be troughed in each hole. After a few days, the earthworms will begin consuming the organic matter and leave rich vermicomposting behind. Harvesting of the vermicompost from the pit. Stop watering before 1 week of harvest. All the worms spread across the pit come in closer and form balls in 2 to 3 locations inside the pit. Heap the compost by removing the balls. Then the material is sieved in 2 mm sieve. The material that passed through the sieve is called vermicompost. Store the vermicompost in polythene bags. All of you listen here. We see about a sieving method. And the sieving method, 2 mm sieve, the material passed through the sieve is called vermicompost. This is the sieving method. Okay. Advantages of vermicompost. Vermicompost is a rich source of nutrient, vitamins, enzymes, antibiotics and growth hormones. So it gives disease resistance to plants. The second one is nutrient content of vermicompost is higher than traditional compost. Third one is it is a valuable soil amendment. The fourth one is vermicompost contain certain microbial populations that help in nitrogen fixation and phosphorus solubilization. Fifth one is its application enhance nodulation in leguminous and symbiotic associations with the roots. It's clear. Thank you, students.